What is a carbohydrate? Well, the name carbohydrate just means hydrated carbon or a combination of carbon plus water. So all the food that we eat can be broken down into three components: carbohydrates, proteins, or fats. And many, if not most of the foods we eat are combinations of two or three of those. For example, milk contains all three: carbs, protein, and fat. In fact, if we're talking about real food, whole, unprocessed foods, there really are hardly any foods that are 100% carbohydrate. Maybe honey or maple syrup. Um, but typically, when we use the term carb, referring to a food, we mean a food that is mostly carbohydrate. Okay, so carbohydrates, protein, and fat, these are our macronutrients. You've probably heard of micronutrients, okay? But those are things like vitamins, minerals. But carbohydrates, protein, and fat, these are our macronutrients. This is where our calories come from, the fuel that keeps us going. There are 4 calories in every gram of carbohydrates. So say you are eating a product and you look at the food label, because we're all looking at our food labels, right? We're all reading those labels. Good. Okay, so you look at the label and it says that one serving of this food gives you 10 grams of carbs. So you know that there are 4 calories in every gram. So 10 times 4, that's 40 calories. And protein is the same thing, 4 calories in every gram of protein. Fats are a little bit different. They're 9 calories in every gram of fats. That's why they usually contain more calories per weight than proteins or carbs. So carbohydrates are our primary fuel source. They're broken down in the body to glucose, and glucose is the main source of energy for our cells.